Ask you to draw a box in pencil. Okay, so the topic is also coming under short introduction. So something before that is written, I will tell you. And if there is word limit, say few words. Like
Sir,
that. Yes.
sir, sometimes your voice was very high and sir, sometimes your voice is very low.
Oh, what I meant, there is no color light today. Color light, if it is there, voice will be very clear. Now there is no color mic is not working. It's okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why. So it is on only. So it's audible only. I don't know. Color mic is not proper. That's why this problem is. Okay. So it can easily come. What do you do here? So at least I'm seeing on the this doing right. Okay. So let me see where the diagram here. So here the diagram is say R. Back. Too much. This is the so here is the try the heading first. Automatic Energy Central School, Delhi Public School, Kendriya Vidyalaya, who would like this, whatever is the heading will put first. Okay, then you see the example. Your letter one is wrong. Letter one is wrong. Letter one is I am finding this because I want to tell the children that one leather wallet is lost. If anybody finds, please give. Okay, that's why I am writing leather wallet lost. Okay, so that then the sender. That sender is as the writer of the notice also we can tell the sender here because he is the sender. Okay, so these are the components. So this is called category. It's the head of the division and the will start compositing. Suppose you are the monitor of your class. You want to conduct one cricket match. So, for cricket match also you have to write something. Here something is different, valid, warrant, loss. Component loss valid. But suppose it is a cricket match, the subject will be exactly. Suppose and another suppose from the monitor, you are not by the principal. We talk about the problem of display. So the topic will be everything is the problem of it. So according to that, of the I think it's so here that has and and the cultural secretary you are writing. What is your designation you are writing here? So actually notice that say transfer में जाएंगे transfer में जाएंगे बाद में जब हम सबसे ज्यादा समस्या करेंगे इसकी तरह okay then all languages suppose an example is the letter one is first okay suppose first is love how do you write
Sir, your voice is low.
I understand because today color mic is not there. Color mic is not working there. That's why it is not there. Okay. But tomorrow it will be repaired. Don't worry. Today there is no color mic. Okay, children.
Sir, please tilt the camera right side.
Okay.
Sir, right side. Yes, sir. It is perfect.
It is adjustment of basic. Okay, children. So these are the nature of the part of the things to keep in mind while writing the list. I will tell you now. So this is the formula. What is the formula? The form in which the list will be written. Okay. That I have given. First of all, a language should be personal. Here, language personal things like I think is confident. Everything personal. A green, sorry, a leather brown leather wallet of Woodland with law. Don't write I, yours, like this and program. So the language must be personal as well. That is the competitive while writing the cookie. Second one. So, why? Okay. Why? There's my referencing where you have given the written inside. Inside this file to write it will descend and lead also. So the examiner will be replaced and give you better marks. That is the problem. Okay. What is the purpose? It will lead and keep. The purpose is lead and keep. All in complete.
सर आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है
Complete information means all the information regarding the notice. Suppose about a meeting you are telling the time of the meeting, the date of the meeting, the place of the meeting, what will be subject time, place, date, and also what will be discussed in the meeting. Meeting will be for how much time, everything will be written. In that manner, you must say. Okay. So, according to that, impersonal,
सर योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग अप
in the object language, right? Okay, object to an impersonal language. Then you see second point is that the books will be within the fire. Within the writing the notice. Then you see the things that all the information, complete information. As I told you, suppose the meeting is there, about the date of the meeting, time of the meeting, object, what will be discussed in the meeting, which will for how much time, everything will be written in advance, so that those who are in attending the meeting, they will not be confused. Okay. Then next point is that on which day this will be done. Here, the date of the meeting will be different. but the date of the notice must be written. Okay, the left hand top, the date of the notice or which date the notice given, the date must be written. Okay, children. Next point is that, okay, signature means voice. Okay, signature. This signature. Who is signature? His signature must be there and designation. Suppose monitor, also monitor. Then otherwise class leader or cultural secretary, whatever you are writing, that designation must be there. Okay. So, in the about the notice, the category will be there. At what time, what date, what will be the discussion point in the meeting, everything will be good. Okay. So, suppose one of the important notice and the writing to put out, then it will work to the So, these notice is done. After all, the objective language, but it is personal, then nothing like I, these things will not be written. Written one is that you can make it fire, literally with pencil, draw an answer, prepare the answer, we can give. Okay, within the fire, right?
Sir,
Sir,
Tell me.
सर आपकी आवाज कभी कभार आती नहीं है
I told you that.
सर आप इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करिए क्योंकि हम
See, I am now technical.
सर आवाज ही अवेलेबल नहीं हो रही हमें
What I already told them. I will again tell those ones.
प्लीज सॉर्ट आउट दिस प्रॉब्लम
Sir, when you come near the camera, the voice is coming. But when you go up far, the voice is not coming.
आती नहीं है फिर वो
Okay, children, see, I have told you, Apul sir, Khan sir, they are in charge, they will get, don't worry. They are busy with private systems, they will come. Okay, see, here, this is the message, somebody is complete control will be there, but they will do it. Okay, I told they will do it within no time. Okay. So, complete information, hard, that date of the function who own the signature. Okay, it will be there. So besides that, one model notice I will write so that you can see and you can have some idea about the notice writing. What is the subject of the notice? For example, suppose the guideline of take part in a guideline committee. That can part to. So, individual. Okay. So, this is an example. Okay. Example. This is an example. I am giving you how. Right. So here.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हेडिंग
After public school,
First of all, school name in capital letter.
okay. Capital letter,
Then in the middle, notice.
Yes. Stop. Then this side, regular.
Sir, you are writing a notice.
This July 2021, 14th July, and 17th, whatever the date, is that. Then we will go to content.
We will leave one line space between date and heading subject.
Yes. There will be one line gap. One line gap will be there. So how to start? To inform that. To inform that. How I am writing without, as I told, objective language is personal language. That's why I am writing. I am informing you. Will not be objective. It will be personal. So I am writing this to inform you that our students writing a guideline from the teacher. Tomorrow,
This is to inform you that our school is organizing a kite flying competition on
Sir,
then the dates are
sir, what are you
the
written
school
after Army
students
Public School?
Yes.
can give their name to
Yes.
yes sir.
सर 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 आपने स्कूल नेम क्या लिखा है? पब्लिक स्कूल, उसके बाद क्या लिखा है सर आपने जे से?
Organizing a kite flying competition.
I means that is. I full stop E means that is. Okay. That is. Is it I means that is. Okay. It means that is. I Students,
Interested students can give their names to dash sir.
yes, students are requested to give their name to the class sir. On our before, today is Friday, day.
सर उसके बाद एक लाइन छोड़ के अपना नाम और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में हेड बॉय या फिर हेड गर्ल.
दे रहा है, सबको प्रिंसिपल दे रहा है. तो नेम प्रिंसिपल एट पब्लिक स्कूल. ओके. Students are requested
to give their names who are interested in them.
Contact me or details.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, contact the underlined person for more details.
Very good, very good. Contact the underline for details. So principal or PT teacher, whatever you write. that
Sir?
is- Yes,
सर आप कैमरा थोड़ा डाउन करेंगे?
yes, yes. Actually, I am not able to see properly. Okay, afterwards you said, oh, correct, correct. sometimes the other side.
Sir, please tilt the camera downwards.
Then person and then
Sir,
right here.
sir, please tilt the camera downwards.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now.
It is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. ये सही है.
Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Now you can note down. So this
No
is
doubt,
a
sir.
model notice. The model notice I have written on the board. You can use for any reference.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Message I have given already. Only diary entry you will see. Diary entry, if it is given, our right execution will be over. The grammar I told you, unedited message, are jumbled words, are omissions, are gap filling. 4 types of grammar. Gap filling, you know, jumbled words, or message I told you, no, message you know, or I will tell you again. Message. Two people are talking, hearing their conversation, you will write one message. That you, or I will give one example.
Sir, please give one example.
Okay. You please complete it, you will go to message.
Noted, sir.
Yes.
Noted, sir.
So one message I will write, please copy in the answer. Suppose so message of is trying to say. If message is the like this like a square and right using that. Date will be written, same date will be right. What is that? You can say time. So time is not written in the notice, there is written here one thing, 4 will be written, that is the time. When you are writing here, message for your friends, you see your friend. Okay. Then I would be one target and would be that. He would be take that class. Today. So this is your message.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what are you written in the kite flying notice? Before के बाद क्या लिखा है सर आपने? Before,
एक डेट डाल दो
before सर मुझे तो कांटेक्ट दिख रहा है.
अनिरुद्ध का उसके पास वो डैश लगा है, मतलब वो जैसे जो नोटिस पे जो डेट दी जाएगी ना, तो उसके हिसाब से लिखना पड़ेगा.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. ओनली यू पुट द डेट देयर.
और उसके बाद क्या लिखा है प्रीति?
contact का अंडर साइन I have written. मतलब नीचे जो साइन किया उसको contact कीजिए. Undersigned मतलब हिंदी नीचे जो साइन किया है तो contact कीजिए. Okay. Undersigned का मतलब वही होता है. Correct.
सर पीयूष उसका नाम है जिसने मैसेज लिखा है या फिर उसका ट्यूशन सर का नाम है?
हाँ तो ट्यूशन साइन पहले किया. ठीक है हम टेक की क्लास ले. Okay. So listen to this something and is taking it to taking it to well. So the reason also below why the class will not be there. So because you are because the name of you are writing the notice for message from and say and you both are editing one person. So whatever the persons are communicating, so persons are taking some hospital, he cannot take class. He rang you and told you. So you are giving a message for your friend, Piyush. Understood? Please note down. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after 5:30 p.m. we have to, sir, we have to leave one line for writing Piyush.
Yes. No. You said because both are in one person. So
Okay.
because to inform you, so he is giving a message. So because person will not be there. Yes, person will not be had, so he is giving a message. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that will message time. Please note down.
Noted, sir.
So those who are late, please do it. So one message, one notice, or one diary writing. We put one click of everyone, high class will come, one on-scene message will come, comprehension and grammar 5 marks. Rest will be 25 marks answer. Okay. 40 marks exam, writing, reading, grammar, and supplementary and literature. Both questions will come from this. Okay. Write out the next. Please note down. We hope that. So one task I will give otherwise this message because how it will come read the conversation and compose a message like this it will come in the. So I am directly writing but directly message will not come. Then it will read the following conversation and write a message. So one conversation will write and record Google Classroom, you can send the message. Can you send? I will write the question here.
Yes, sir, we will send.
Okay, you please copy that and we'll go to that.
Sir, but please send the question in Google Classroom.
Okay, okay, I will send it for Google otherwise. It will work. Okay. You please put up this. Okay, we will send. And this. Okay, that actually that Vaibhav is coming or not coming to class. We want his Aadhaar number. Vaibhav and Kamya. Kamya is not coming. Kamya and Vaibhav, please send your Aadhaar number.
Yes, sir.
Kamya and Vaibhav. Children have not given the Aadhaar number. And Hiral email ID. Hiral email ID. Kamya and Vaibhav. Aadhaar number. Please send. I have written two children. Two children have sent already. I have already noted. But only two children. If we give our data will be complete. Okay.
Noted, sir.
सर आपने कैमरा ऑफ कर लिया है?
Tomorrow, come prepared. I will ask question and all the chapters. Both chapters will be detailed in detail. We will discuss tomorrow because there will be no time afterwards. Okay, if tomorrow we get time, we will discuss it in detail. All the chapters, detail, line by line, we will discuss. So that you will do well in the exam. Okay. Exam will be out of 40 marks.
Noted, sir.
Okay, noted. Very
Noted, sir.
Very good, very good. So, diary entry. Yes. So, you got some idea about message and notice, only diary entry. So we have already discussed again for okay. So that is so that so that is right. So, diary. Notice and message were used of stuff, but diary will be totally lost now. So, diary all written. Generally, we avoid writing in the notice and message. We will write in the diary or personal booking. Okay. So, friends, nowadays, here diary they are writing. Earlier they were not writing. Nowadays they are writing like this. So we will also write like this. Dear diary. Today I am very happy. At the end of the day, we write our diary. Diary is the personal things what happened during the day. All the personal messages, what happened at the end of the day we write. So you can add your personal right. So the reason so now this is I put half. I put education. That's why you were paid, congratulated by family members. So you are happy. All my family members. And so, like anyone the doctor the academic question. Suppose the question is that you were scolded by your mother unnecessarily, or you were very depressed, write your diary entry. So today I am very happy, don't write there. They will write today I am very depressed. Today I am very sorry, like this, right? For everything, don't write today I am happy.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what you have written after competition?
All my family members and friends congratulated me.
Yes. Like this, I have started because this is the imaginary situation that I am imagining that I should purchase the education. So, what happened that day, 1 2 lines you can write, then you can write that I hope in future
Noted, sir.
I will try to make others happy by the blessing of God. Like this, you write the diary and your name will be written here. When you end the diary. So, diary writing is different from message and notice because something it is impersonal, but in diary everything personal will be written. That is the difference. Okay. And the other doubt about writing today, things I do, diary, message and notice. If you want to discuss more tomorrow, you can do. Okay.
No doubt, sir. Noted, sir.
Okay. Please,
Noted, sir.
please, you know, who only you send your attendance, I will know. Okay. And no other doubt is there about writing? Yes. We are good. Written as Satya written, Subodh written, Pruthvi written, Rasmika written. What happened is Vaibhav and Divyanshi not attending. Apurva written. Yes, written. What happened to them? Okay. Okay, given, Nina given, Vivek given. Okay. What about Vaibhav and Divyanshi and Ritika? They are not attending class. I talked with your parents yesterday. They told they will be sending you to class. What happened today? Please be attentive, children, because you know class is for you. It is not for me. You will appear exam, not me. Okay. Nina, I have written. Those who are attending children, they are attending regularly. Those who are not coming, I am asking about them. Please be attentive. of Siraj Amravati I have written.
Ritesh Kumar Menghwal present, sir.
Written. Please attend the class, children. This is the class is for you.
Utkarsh Agarwal present, sir.
If you go for
Devansh
this
Ashna
time,
present, sir.
your time and our time both are well.
Siddhika Jain present, sir.
Okay, thank you. Siddha present.
Sir, Naveen Kumar Meena present.
Okay. Amin. Okay. Okay, have a nice day. We'll be
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
discussing more.
Thank you, sir.
In life.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.